than 10 years. I'm also teaching at University of Bradford. I'll try my best to meet your expectation. If you have any question, you can drop me email anjum@ukversity.co.uk and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, what's your name? Where you from? What you done, please?
My name is Tirani and I'm from France. At last, I did human resource management.
Okay,
Lesson.
brilliant. Thank you. Hope so. Weather will be nice there. Here in Yorkshire, England, we have a plenty rain. Yeah, heavy rain today.
Sorry,
Okay. All weather there, your end. Is it nice weather?
it's raining a little bit.
Nice raining there as well. Okay. So which course you doing?
Tourism and hospitality management.
Hospitality management. Which level is it?
Level 5.
Hospitality. ATHE? Yep.
Sorry,
Awarding body ATHE. Hospitality. Level 5. Yes.
yeah. OTHM level 5.
OTHM. Sorry. I'm just, just for the sake of, just want to pick it the right. Yes. And I'll go through in a minute. Okay. Have you done the lessons before or not? Have you watched? You have a
No.
Moodle access?
Yeah, I have Moodle access.
Okay, I'll show you and we'll go through. Okay. So welcome. Thanks for joining. And we'll go through. So please here on the Moodle, you can find we're doing management accounting. Yes. This
Yeah.
tutorial. So when we'll say management accounting, accounting means systematic record of transactions. Yes. Any transaction we need to record. Okay. So
Okay.
we've been given here. Can you see all?
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant, excellent. So if you look, we learn until now, we had lesson 1, yes, and all the recording available. So lesson 1 was about, which just we demonstrate a bit. We'll do a recap because it's a tutorial. Maybe we can't go through. If we need to rearrange it, we can rearrange it tomorrow again. Okay. Okay, this is very old. Yes, which we'll go through in a minute. So finance, management in tourism industries, which we'll go through. We'll discuss about what is accounting and all. Yes, management and financial accounting. Accounting mean is a keeping financial record up to date and preparation of financial record and statement in our organization. This include recording the business transaction in a money term, recording the financial information and advising honor the financial record, past performance. That's why we do the records. Yes, it's accounting is mean identifying, meeting, and commenting on the financial information to permit informed judgment and decision by the user of information. That is quite crucial. Okay, if we have accounting will help you internal control, we can control things. Okay, then accounting will help you. If you're accountant, you summarize, present, and inline the financial information. Account reports, we can use internal and external. So when we say financial accounts, it's mean external reporting statement. When we say management account, is the internal. We are doing management account, so is the internal. Okay. You prepare assignment before?
Yeah.
Yes. Have you seen? Okay, good. It means you know how to do things. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So types of accounts, we can look around financial transaction. We can find the information, cost of material, labor, overhead, all, which we can find from the management accountant. But we said management accounting is internal. Yes, within the company. Okay, so this is the slide. We'll explain you what is the financial accounting. is mean external. Yes, it's mean historical. It mean we have a rules and regulation and standards. We prepare every year these financial statement. Management accountant is an internal, help managers to operate current and future performance to measure. That's the management accounting. Okay, financial and management accounting. Financial accounting, which we said in external, and cost accounting, which is come under management accounting, is internal. Okay. So manual, and we can nowadays we are doing computerized accounts. Yes, computerized like different software we use in account. Okay, normally accounts we do double entry bookkeeping. Is mean you have a debit and you have a credit. When asset increase, we do debit. When decrease, so we can follow the double entry bookkeeping rules. Okay, this is the software. If you want on your mobile, you can download the games. You can play with it and to understand the debit and credit rules. Okay, we have a different standard, IES 1, International Accounting Standard 1, which is about how we can record the business transaction in accounts. Yes. Okay, so profit and loss is show this cost of sale, opening inventory, purchases, expenses, and other income in accounts. So this is example of profit and loss. Yes, this is example. We can show the sales, we can show the cost of sales, and then trial balance, we can prepare the statement. Then we have a balance sheet which shows asset, liabilities, and capital, and you will see these are the statements. Okay, just want to show you, and we'll discuss the assignment. Okay, we can explain here asset, what sort of asset, what sort of liabilities we have, and capital. That's all, the accounting equations, and we can record the transaction. That was our lesson 1. Okay, so you have a separate recording for lesson 1, and which we can go through, and we can go through. Have you seen these lessons before? Have you went through?
No,
No.
no.
Okay, so we need to explain. So it means I'll try to arrange one more session maybe with you, so I can explain you in details. Okay. Okay, then we have a lesson 2 and 3. Okay, the lesson 2 and 3, we done it about financial statement, profit and loss. We discussed double entry. We went through, uh, we discuss about different financial statement. In this lesson, we learn about budget. Budget is a plan expressed in the financial or other quantitative term which extend forward the period of future. Budget is widely used in all type in the size of organization, planning and control. When we make the budget, first budget is a sale budget, yes, and then we can make the production budget, material usage budget, and all other budget. Budget will help and define. Budget can be short term, long term. In budget, we can make the target and we'll look the future forecast. Yes, what we spend, where we spend, how much we spend. We can make it continuous or rolling budget. We can look around interrelationship between budget. Simple example of budget is the first, the stock budget. We can production budget and purchase budget. So we can look around. The budget setting process is important. Approach logical and mathematically will be correct. So establish who take the responsibility. It is important the budget have authority in the organization. Communicate the budget to the relevant. We have a limitation of budget. Prepare the budget in the area of limiting and area review and coordinate budget with your other people and communicate budget, monitor budget performance. Then different types of budget. It can be zero-based budget, which is mean you start with the zero every time you make the new budget. Zero-based mean every time you make the new budget, okay? Different history of the zero-based budget. We can look around the budget is a mean financial plan for future. So in this lesson, incremental budget, zero-based budget, and activity-based budget, these all type of budget we make in budgeting. Any question?
No.
Hello? Okay, so please, really we need to, from these, lessons, we'll get the stuff and we'll write assignment. Huh? So Then we discuss about budget, and now we're looking uh, the sources of finance where we can borrow the money. We can issue the loan, debt, short-term finance, and the long-term finance. Okay, short-term and medium-term finance. We can borrow money through trade credit, bank loans. Yes, each have own advantages and disadvantages. Debt factoring, invoice discounting, hire purchase agreement. We can leasing. We can lease properties, and we can look around the long-term debt, short-term debt, mortgage. Yes, mortgage is mean the long-term loan for buying house, term loan, bond. Bond is a piece of paper which that can be secure, unsecured against the asset, debenture. We have to look around when we issue or we borrow money. We can get the money by issuing shares in the company, and that called equity. Okay, so key factors are the equities which we can look around: equity finance and earning, reverse, venture capital. These are all known as the sources of finance, and we can make it. And then we have a VAT. What is a VAT? Value added tax. So in France, how much is the VAT? You're paying tax on the goods. How many is it? 10%, 20%?
20%.
20%. Okay, great. So do you call maybe GST, and we call it VAT? So input and output tax, and we quoted some example of these. Yes. Okay. And different types of ownership with sole trader, partnership, and limited company have different types of the taxes and which we pay in. Okay, thus we need to be look around in this lesson which we went through. Okay. Then please, each lesson we have all the answers here. Can you see the handouts? Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's please, we'll go through assignment brief. Okay. So we've been given assignment brief. What is the assignment brief? Is a management accounting. We have to write. These are the learning outcome which we learn in lesson 1. We discuss about purpose of finance. Lesson 2, we discuss how we can prepare the financial statement for sole trader, partnership, and others. And lesson 3, we look around the ratios and the budget. And lesson 4, we went through in the hospitalities, how we can make budget and the budgetary control. So thus you all have in lesson. And then we've been given the scenario. You work as a trainee accountant in hospitality business to support the senior member of accountant team. Assign you the mentor, and you have to answer these questions. Okay. So we've been given the task which we'll go through, and we have a task 1. Okay. So task 1, what we need to demonstrate, understand the finance and accounting. We have to explain the purpose of finance and accounting. Yes, department. So what they do, they prepare the reports. Yes, I'll locate, sample assignment I'll give you as well. Okay. Next lesson. Okay. We look the legislation in the countries. We look the finance and accounting department, different departments. We look the laws or accounting standards, and we look the function of accounting, and these on the bullet point we have to answer these. Okay, then we will be in a position to look around. Then you have a task 2. In task 2, we have to prepare the statement. So I'll give you some statement. We can prepare ourselves and we can use it as example for assignments. Okay. Yes, and we underneath we can explain them. We prepare 4 types of statement. One is called profit and loss. One is called balance sheet. One is called cash flow, and one is called shareholder. So we have a partners. Partnership can be up to 20 partners in the business. And we do the business in tourism industry through partnership. Then we have a task 3. In task 3, we have to calculate ratios, is known as a financial ratios. I'll give you example and we can add it in our assignment. financial ratio. That's our task 3. Ratios mean to measure the performance of the company, and that will help you to look around. Then we have a task 4, where we discuss about working capital and budget, and we discuss about budgetary control. So we had in our lecture slide as well, what is the budget, what is meant by budgetary control. That's which we'll go through in our assignment. Any question?
No.
Okay. So what we'll do, let's please. Don't know, they upload the template. So you've been given the ebooks as well. Huh? Can you see ebooks? Yes.
Yeah.
So all you have there. So what we'll do, I'll go 1 minute. I'll set up template for you and give you. Okay, so that will help you. So when we prepare the assignment, I'll put all the links for you and send you. Okay. How you can, where you can get the information. Assignment on management accounting. Can you see all? No.
No.
Can you see now? Management accounting. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Yeah.
submitted by and student name and yes, student number. Yeah, that's fine. Student number, you can include it here. And then we can say University. Manchester. Yes, United Kingdom. Okay. So that's the way you can structure this. That will be your, yes, cover page. Okay. Then in your move to the next, then we can look around the content page. You know how to make table of contents.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we can write little introduction. Okay. So we can say in this assignment, yes, going to discuss about the importance, yes, importance of management accounting, yes,
Yeah.
uh, and financial accounting. So we can write little bit due to competition, importance has significant increase, yes. So we can give little bit background, yes, what you will do in assignment, you can write like this, yes. Then you have a task 1, task 2, task 3, and task 4. Okay. So go back to look, assignment brief now again, and we look, so they not uploaded a, sample assignment. I'll locate and I will give you the sample assignment as well. Okay. That will help you to prepare your own. Okay. Just 1 second. Okay. So we'll go back to our assignment document. Task 1 is about, we can divide our discussion. Yes, we need to explain. Yes, purpose of accounting and finance. We'll discuss the difference between financial statements and benefit of limitations. Okay. So what we can do, if you Google it, so in the Google, just type the word financials and Okay, we have a books as well. You can find financial and management, accounting. Yes. And next to that, write the word Kaplan. Do we know who is the Kaplan? Kaplan is a publisher that published the books. Okay. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. If you go down, so you can scroll down, you will find there knowledge bank. Yes. Take from here and you can type there. I'll copy the link for you. Okay. So you can click that link. You can read it. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Legislations. So we can say accounting standards, Kaplan. Okay. Legislation mean accounting standards. So you can click and you can find some. Yes. And you can add some examples. Okay. Can you see here? Yes.
Yeah.
There are a lot of examples. Yes. Events, adjustment rules. Yes. So that's help you to prepare your own. Okay. Countries, we can look around like UK. Yes. Okay. So we can look around finance and accounting functions. And the last, we look at the financial statements. Yes. Financial statements. Yes. So you look here. And you can find financial statements. Yes. Yes. So you can discuss about different types of statements, benefits. Yes. So I can take you back to elements of financial statements. If you look further down, you can find the interpretation of financial statements are the ratios which we can discuss. Any question?
No.
Okay, so what I'll do, I will prepare one document for you. Yes.
Okay.
And I will send you this document. Yes. And also, if you look in here, Moodle page, you have Moodle. Yes.
Yeah.
So you will see here in the assignment brief, you've been given the bullet points. Yes. Yes. What we
Yeah.
supposed to do, we can divide. So I can divide the discussion underneath. I can put the things for you in order. Yes.
Okay.
And then you can move to task 3. Yes. Where we can calculate the ratios. Yes. And task 4. Okay. So that's task 3. Okay. And that's your task 4. Yes.
Mhm.
Okay. So please, when you do task 3 and task 4, go back to in your our Moodle page. Yes. Look the question and you've been given here. Can you see here? You've been
Yeah.
given the budget and budgetary control. That's your task 4. Yes. You
Okay.
will see there you've been given the template, balance sheet, profit and loss, how we can prepare. You begin given the prepared balance sheet. If you click here, you can pick the example, you can throw in assignments. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
That's you can. And all you have, and you've been given the book as well here, okay? And I told you the Kaplan, okay? So what I'll do, ebooks, when you click here, yes, you can read it and you can find all the definition and you can write in your own words, yes? Is it okay? You got
Yeah.
me? Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'll send you that template later on after well aligning with all the relevant information underneath, yes? Okay. Then at the end, you make sure you draw the conclusion, add the references, yes? Okay.
Mhm.
So when we do make the table of contents, please, so how we can do it, make sure carry on selecting as a headings, yes? Like heading 1, yes? Yes? Whatever heading you want to, heading 1, heading 2, okay? So that will create the table of contents for you. Okay, this way you can prepare your assignment, okay? So what I'll do, I'll arrange things for you and I'll put the stuff, more in order and I will arrange one more tutorial with you, yes? And then you will be fine, yes? To prepare your assignment. So this week, please, are you free tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll try to arrange one more tutorial with you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So what time is best for you? Can we say 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock.
Yes,
Okay.
if good for you.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, no problem. What I'll do, I'll send you the link, yes,
Okay.
and we can do one more tutorial, yes.
Uh-huh.
Here things will be more arranged, yes.
Sorry.
I mean, I can arrange more resources for you because you're not done the sessions yet.
Okay.
So that's the way we can create the table of contents, yes.
Okay.
Okay. So I will do tomorrow. I'll send you the link this evening.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Have a lovely evening. A nice afternoon, not evening yet. Okay. And speak you tomorrow. Okay.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to speak to you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.